Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and today we have an unboxing that has only just arrived, just come through the door. This is the second Kickstarter campaign that I've been involved with, and it's the first one that I get anything for. So let's see inside the box what it is. Well, it's from Fancy Squid Games, as you can see, and the game is Ghost Hunter. So let's get down and have a look at what's inside, shall we? Well, here we go. This, as I said, is Ghost Hunter. It's designed by, let's see, it says it's designed by Kedrick Winks, who, as I said, did the game for Beasts of War for Halloween 2014, and this is what it says on the back. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can read it properly. Give you a second. You can pause this and read it as and when. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have inside. Well, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4 rules cards. These are double-sided. Let me just zoom out a second. Oops. Right, so as I said, we've got the 4 rules cards, both are 4 double-sided, and then we have the deck. So nice cards to shuffle. A little bit bent when they've come out of the box. But other than that, let's see what we have. Well, we have different cards with different numerical values on. So for 4 we have a residual haunting, and then for 3 we have a lost spirit. 1 is ectoplasm. And then we have unexplained phenomena. We have a hoax. We have a phantasm for 6. Shade for 5, and there is a bit of text there as well. The next card must be a 5 or lower. There we go. Another hoax. A white. And the text at the bottom: you may play this card at any time to block a capture. We also have a doppelganger. I treat this card as the card it is played on. Another doppelganger. Okay, I've not shuffled these terribly well. They will get a good shuffling before we start playing. Spectre. Anything can be played on this card. Is it? I can't quite read it, to be honest. Another unexplained phenomena. Crowd demon. I'll let you read it yourself. I don't have the reading glasses on, you see, so I'm having trouble trying to read these. As you can see, the artwork is really nice on them. Another crowd demon, I think we've had that before. Another shade. Vortex. I'll just capture the stack. So I'm not too up on the rules at the moment, but hopefully we'll be able to sort something out, and then hopefully we'll be able to get a game of this in one of our games nights. It's looking a really good game. This is the second Kickstarter game I backed, and it's the first one I've actually got. So this one is a little bit, shall we say, special. It's my first Kickstarter delivery. So I think basically the idea of the game basically is just you play a card and you have to either equal or go higher than the card in front. If you can't do that, I think you take the stack, and the stack is the cards that you played. But I know there is a kind of odd, well, I'm saying odd to me because I'm not a card game player. I don't really play many card games, but the way you deal 5 cards to each person playing, you play one face up, one face down, one face up, one face down, and you work from, and then you get cards dealt to your hand as well. As I say, I haven't read the rules yet. I've just taken it out of the box and got the video camera out. Well, I've got the video camera out and then I took it out of the box because, to be honest, I really want to get this video done before that Andy from MacLeod designs games, or MacLeod's oh God Almighty, before that Andy from MacLeod Designs does it. I want to beat him again. Sorry, Andy, I can't help it. Right, so anyway, this is, as I said, the card game Ghost Hunter from oh dear, what's it called? Fancy Squid Games, designed by Kedrick Winks. There's going to be follow-up games to this as well. There's going to be, I think the one that's in planning now is one called Vampire Hunter, and then I think there's a couple more as well. If I remember rightly, Monster Hunter and Relic Hunter as well are going to be the ones that have been named. So hopefully we're going to get a nice series of card games going from this guy, and good luck to him as well. But for now, as always, until next time, take care, God bless, and bye for now.